Unions are claiming it's been the worst single-day loss of jobs in Queensland's history as the government slashes the public service to save money. But as Max Futcher reports, even the Premier doesn't know how many people lost their jobs today.
It looks like any other Friday in George Street, but the union says don't be fooled. This is Black Friday.
A period of mourning and great anguish as people are having to now face the reality of being unemployed as a result of the decisions of this government.
Today, thousands of public servants learned their jobs were gone, although exactly how many, even the Premier doesn't know.
I simply can't give you that figure. We will give you that figure in a couple of weeks' time when the payroll runs have happened.
The government hasn't even bothered to find out how many people they're sacking today.
Seems that payroll system is to blame again, but where the computer mightn't tell the story for a fortnight, those affected are feeling it now.
And we're losing more than a third of our staff today. So as of Monday, I'll be unemployed.
Unions estimate up to 3,000 have lost their jobs on this, the last working day of the financial year, many of them in George Street. A lot of the affected staff are on so-called temporary contracts, but their employment with the government has been anything but. Many have worked in their department for 5 years or longer.
You know, this is not a word game. They are not being renewed.
But in some ways, politics is a word game, and these are the ones the Premier used during the campaign.
All hard-working public servants in Queensland should look forward to a bright and rewarding future with the LNP.
So, did the Premier dupe them?
Not at all.
More cuts are coming and the clock is ticking. Max Futcher, 10 News.